picture.
Happy Halloween! Woo! Oh my God, the camera, Michael! Come on. Oh, what was Vegas? What? Ow. Cotton candy? Oh. I'm so sorry. It's fine. Oh, okay, let's go. I can't wait
what are you doing? You're on camera, what are you doing? I'm talking to you. This video is gonna be ladies most wanted on ABC tonight, stealing candy. I'm paparazzi.
Winter's easy. Winter goes from
I'm
one place to
paparazzi.
another. No pictures, no pictures now. Please, no pictures.
Take the flowers, Cindy. Take the flowers. Take the flowers.
Get away. No pictures.
Take a picture of my candy.
Let's see inside the bag. Let's see inside the bag.
Not much in there yet.
Come on, guys. We're moving. We're on the move.
Look, everybody. It's Alicia Keys. I'm paparazzi. How's the trick or treating? Artist.
Hey, artist.
All right,
You're
next.
on tape.
Hey, no running on the grass.
Go ahead, Pat. Go.
Michael, this way. This way.
I need.
They're not listening. They're just not listening.
How's the
Michael, not on the grass.
How's the trick or treating? 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 How's the trick or treating?
Come on,
Trick or treating is
nobody's
good.
there.
Nobody's there. Come on.
You guys are lazy, man. You guys trick or treat in the car?
They don't want to walk. They said we're gonna take the car with us.
My God. Here we are.
Give me the car.
Here we are with some lazy people trick or treating in their car. They don't want to walk.
Thanks for the Boston Red Sox.
Look! Oh my God! Look at this! Get out of here!
Yeah.
Get out of here!
86 years in Love Temple.
Gustavo, keep Justin. I'm gonna put the girl piece back.
How much candy we got?
Oh my.
We still got a lot of candy.
Yeah. Look. And this. Stop with that camera.
Edwin,
Lost Michael's.
I heard you lost the mask. What's going on? Edwin? Oh my God! They've killed Edwin!
I'll let him know. Oh! Come on!
Michael, you're taking too much.
Be nice.
Hey, stop taking the candy from ours, man.
Ah. I want this whole candy. Come on! That's it.
Gus, you stealing candy from your son?
Here you go. Come on.
Because you're on camera, bro. That would be not nice if you were doing that.
I'm a Boston fan.
You Boston fan.